How to get Barclays credit card. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can get or apply for a Barclays credit card. In order to get a Barclays credit card, first of all, you need to apply. For that, you need to open up a web browser. On the web address bar, you need to type in www.barclays.co.uk/credit card. And this is going to direct you to the official web page of credit card. So as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. So over here, you need to scroll down a bit. You'll be able to see the list of credit card that is available on Barclays. So you can go through our web statement and then click on reward credit card, which is right at the bottom if you want to apply for it. Now once again, scroll down to the bottom, and if you want to really apply for this, then click on see card details, which is right at the bottom. Once again, it's going to direct you to the more information page. If you're sure about applying for it, then go ahead and tap on apply now, which will be located right at the bottom. Now it's going to take you to the application portal page. So basically, you'll have to go through 4 steps. That is, first of all, providing your details. That includes entering your personal details, contact details, and all that. After that, you will need to review it. And you need to enter in the important information, which might include your bank details. So without a bank account, you'll not be able to apply for a credit card or Barclays. Lastly, you'll have a terms and condition. Go through all of the information that you've provided, and if you're sure about it, then click on the submit button and mark on the terms and policies as well. And once you've done that, you'll be notified that the application has been successfully submitted. All you need to do is wait patiently until you get further notified. In this way, you can get or apply for a Barclays credit card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.